Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw royalties from dissolve stock video marketplace step by step clearly. To withdraw royalties from dissolve stock video marketplace, start by logging into your dissolve account. Locate the main dashboard where you can see your earnings. Click on the profile option, usually found in the top navigation menu. In the profile section, find and select earnings. Here, you will see a summary of your accumulated royalties. Next, look for the withdraw button or link on this page. Click on it to proceed to the withdrawal process. You'll be presented with options for payment methods. Choose the payment method you prefer, such as bank transfer or PayPal. Enter the necessary details for your selected payment method. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any delays. Review your withdrawal amount to ensure it aligns with your available royalties. Once everything is correct, confirm your withdrawal request. After submitting, you'll receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. Typically, processing may take a few business days, so be patient. Check your email for any confirmation or additional instructions. Once processed, you will receive your funds according to the selected payment method. Keep track of your earnings and statements for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.